Hi everyone. Today I will share you delicious frozen yogurt recipe. Frozen yogurt ice cream is one of the best ice creams I have prepared so far. The most interesting thing is that in order to prepare this delicious dessert you only need 3 ingredients. Now you know down the ingredients and preparation method that it's so easy. Ingredients: 500 grams Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 100 grams sugar. Preparation: 1. In a bowl, mix the sugar with the vanilla. Then, add the yogurt. 2. With the help of a spoon or blender, mix everything well. The sugar must be completely dissolved. 3. Let it sit in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Take it out and stir the mixture. 4. Cover the mixture and store it for 3 hours in the freezer or until it's become firm. This will help the ice cream to take consistency. 5. Finally, remove the frozen yogurt ice cream from the freezer 10 minutes before serving. Now frozen yogurt ice is ready. I personally love with the combination of red fruits and other fruits, any type of red fruit, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, little currants exclamation point. You can add any fruits on your choice and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching frozen yogurt ice cream recipe video. If you like my video, please don't forget share and subscribe my channel for more new videos.